Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix USB not recognized in laptop. Chapter 1. How to fix USB not recognized in laptop using app. To start, open the Rufus application, which you can download from the following link. There, in the device field, select the USB. After this, in the boot selection option, set the non-bootable option. Finally, click Start, click OK, and now wait for this process to be completed. Chapter 2. How to fix USB not recognized in laptop configuring power. To start, enter power in the search box, click Edit Power Plan. After this, click on the line Change Advanced Power Settings. In the pop-up window, open the USB Settings option. There, in USB Selective Suspend Settings, you're going to set the disabled value. Click Apply and OK. Chapter 3. How to fix USB not recognized in laptop from File Explorer. To start, open File Explorer and go to the path you see on the screen to the INF folder. Once you are here, right-click on the WPDMTP file. Select the Install option. Click Yes to authorize. Chapter 4. How to fix USB not recognized in laptop changing letter. To start, right-click on Start menu and select Disk Management. After that, right-click on the USB drive and click on Change Drive Letter and Paths. In this pop-up window, click Change and you must choose the new letter to use for the drive. Apply these changes. Chapter 5. How to fix USB not recognized in laptop updating driver. To get started, right-click on Start and select Device Manager. Then in the Universal Serial Bus Controller section, right-click on the controller with error, select Update Driver. Finally, click on Search automatically for drivers and wait for it to validate whether or not there is an update. Chapter 6. How to fix USB not recognized in laptop reinstalling driver. To start, right-click on the Start menu and open Device Manager. Here in the Universal Serial Bus Controller section, right-click on the faulty controller and choose Uninstall Device. Click Uninstall to confirm. After this, from the Action menu, click on Scan for hardware changes, and after a moment you can see that the driver will be reinstalled. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.